इंफॉर्मेशन मतलब इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, ये जो सब्जेक्ट है, ये जो कंसेप्ट है, ये जो चैप्टर है, जो कि सेट और नेट, यूजीसी नेट, एनटीए नेट के लिए मतलब कंपलसरी चैप्टर है। उस चैप्टर के ऊपर हम आज 100 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए जा रहे हैं। एक्चुअली लास्ट लेक्चर जो थे हमारे दोनों के दोनों लेक्चर, हमने क्लास लिया था हमने। उस क्लास में जितने भी कंसेप्ट्स थे आईसीटी के रिलेटेड, वो कंसेप्ट्स हमने देखे थे। उस कंसेप्ट के ऊपर आज हमने एक 100 एमसीक्यू से टेस्ट सीरीज बनाई है। उसमें 100 क्वेश्चंस है, तो आपको 100 क्वेश्चंस पहले देखना है और उसके साथ-साथ ही आपको एक आपके साथ नोटबुक रखना है। आपके क्वेश्चंस इन 100 क्वेश्चंस में से कितने बरोबर, कितने एग्ज़ैक्ट, कितने करेक्ट्स आए, वो आपको जैसे कि लिख के रखना है और कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना है आपको कितने करेक्ट्स आए आंसर। तो दिस इज़ विल बी काइंड ऑफ a conversion rate of our classes, so that have a notebook with you as well as answer in a live chat as faster you can. Okay, so I will display here question as well as options for the question. So you have to read, the options and you have to comment in a live chat what will be the answer for that question, right? So I'll move to the next slide. Is please comment in live section. So you can read. First of all, identify, first question is identify the incorrect pair from the following, right? Read options. This is actually we have seen chapter of information like ICT, and in that there was kind of a short form, long form, and this is all related about computer and internet related kind of extensions. These extensions, now they have given some of the kind of matching pairs. So you have to match these pairs, and you have to give kind of incorrect pair from the following. Like you can see TTF font file, VAW is equal to audio file, GPG is a graphic file, and EX is exclusive data file. So which one will be the kind of incorrect pair from this one? You have to see and you have to answer as soon as possible, right? So you have to you have to approach to a question in a proper way. If you know each and everything concepts from the kind of computer application and kind of internet related as well as information related, so then you can uh, attempt the question so faster and you can answer so easily, right? So you can see this question and we'll see correct answer also for this one, right? So not yet I got any answer from the viewers. So I'll see, some people are saying A and some people are D. Okay, so we'll see what will be the answer also. So we have to discuss each and everything. So what will be the TTF? Okay, what will be the TTF? It is a font file. WAV is audio file, as well as JPG will be used for image, that is what graphics file, and exe is exclusive data file. This is actually incorrect pair. So if exclusive data file it will not come. So this is D is correct answer for this one. How many has given D answer for this one? I'll see. Some of people has given kind of Sandhya Zavle and Arundhati has given D answer. Some of people has given like C. C is a JPG graphics file, that is correct. They have kind of asked us to find out incorrect pair from the following, right? So you can see D is the correct answer for this one. Yeah. So B, VAW is audio file. That is correct actually. This extension will be used for the audio file. तो हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जाएंगे. ओके, तो मैं समझ लेता हूँ कि मैक्सिमम लोगों को ये समझ में आना चाहिए और समझ में आया होगा कि ये डी जो है वो करेक्ट आंसर है, जिसमें जैसे कि इनकरेक्ट पेयर है वो. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जाएंगे हम. इसका आंसर डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. यू कैन सी हियर answer is D, right? We'll move to the next question. So here actually this question I have picked from a set Maharashtra, so you can get it into different languages like English as well as Marathi also, so you can read in both languages. Find the correct pair from the following, right? So this is kind of a storage files, and storage files data they have given. Out of this we have to find out the answer of this question, right? So 1 kilobyte is equal to 10 raised to 4, 1 megabyte is equal to 10 raised to 6, 1 gigabyte is equal to 10 raised to 12 and 1 terabyte is equal to 10 raised to 15. So which one is the correct answer for this one? So I'll be kind of waiting from your answers. And one thing I want to tell, please kind of answer fast as much as you can. So you can see some of people are kind of answering very nicely. So second, B, people are answering B. So we'll see that also what will be the answer for this one and what will be the correct answer for this one. So right, so you'll see next kind of see here, B, max people has given B is correct answer, and B is the correct answer. Really, B is the correct answer. So you can see correct answer for this one is B, right? So we'll move to the next question, and kind of we'll take all the questions so faster, right? हम जो ये क्वेश्चंस है फास्ट, मतलब जितना जल्दी हम फिनिश कर सके उतना जल्दी फिनिश करना है, क्योंकि 100 क्वेश्चंस है, इट विल टेक सो मच टाइम. So we'll go for the next question. I guess this text is properly visible to all the peoples, right? So you can see in the context of internet, what is a full form of FTP, right? हमने देखा था ये इसका लॉन्ग फॉर्म, मतलब FTP का लॉन्ग फॉर्म क्या होता है? FTP is file transfer protocol, as all knows. D is the correct answer for this one, and maximum people has given kind of D is the correct answer. Good, right? So D is the correct answer. We'll move to the next question, right? The principle that internet service provider and government regulators should treat all data on internet as of same importance and not discriminate or change differently by user, content, website, etc. is called on, right? So what will be the correct answer for this fourth question? I'll see how kind of will be answered this question. Principle that internet service provider and government regulators should treat all data on internet as of some same importance and not discriminate or charge differently by user, content, website, etc. is called as digital quality, digital democracy, priority, or net neutrality, right? Max people has giving answer D, they are giving answer. We'll see what will be the correct answer, and kind of max people has given correct answer for this one. That is called as a like net neutrality, right? So that is what D is the correct answer actually. For not equality, equality won't come, because D will be the correct answer, because net neutrality, we have to kind of uh, should not charge the data of on internet of same important or importance and all discriminate or changes differently by the user. That is what D will be the correct answer for this one. So you can see D is the correct answer for fourth question. So we'll move faster because we have many kind of questions today. 100 questions will take so much time. And actually, I want to tell one thing. First paper will have only 60 minutes and 50 questions will be there, and we have to solve 50 questions within a 1 hour. So we have to solve very faster and faster. That is what we have to practice now. If you practice now, we can solve very fastly. So identify the correct pair from the following they have given now. Actually this question is depend on kind of asked for the Amazon, Google, and Twitter's founder they asked. So you have to see which one is the correct answer for this one. So as per my knowledge, Amazon, Sabir Bhatia is a not founder. Google, Sergey Brin is a correct. This correct should be, because I will see other also. Twitter, Julian Assange is also not the founder of Twitter. YouTube, this is also not correct. So B is a correct answer for this one. So you can see B is the correct answer. So we'll move to the next question, as much as we have to kind of solve fastly, right? So we'll go for the next question. Which of the following is an incorrect pair? Right? So I'm waiting for the answer for this one. So answer very fastly and very quickly, so that we'll move to the next question and we can kind of finish our test as much kind of faster we can. Right? Which of the following is an incorrect pair? Television TRP. This is correct, because TRP will be evaluating television's importance. Newspaper RAM, website hits, film box office. Fourth number is correct because fourth number film box office, but television TRP, website hit. This is also correct. So B will be the answer because they asked incorrect pair. So that is what B is the correct answer. So max people has given B answer. Good. So we'll move to a kind of, we can see B is the correct answer for this question. We'll move to the next question. Okay, right? Max people are giving kind of correct answers, and it's very good that all people are giving correct answers, right? So we'll move to the next question. What is the full form of HTTP in the context of internet? Right, it is very good, kind of easy question, and yesterday we in last lecture we have discussed about HTTP. What is HTTP? Is hypertext transfer protocol. Is the correct answer is C for this one. Hypertext, yes, good. Max people are kind of giving C is the correct answer. Hypertext transfer protocol, good. So you can see correct answer for this one. Answer is C, because the long form of HTTP. HTTP is actually language of website. We seen in last lecture that website will be kind of divided into four types, and HTTP will be the first part of a website. That is what this is can be called as, or this is will be called as a language. It is hypertext transfer protocol. Right. We'll move to the next question. Good. Max people has given correct answer. Read question kind of carefully, and don't try to answer without reading all the options. So kind of read carefully as well as read options also carefully. तो देखो, ये जो है इनकरेक्ट पेयर हमको फाइंड करना है. जेपीजी ग्राफिकल फाइल, ये तो करेक्ट है. इनकरेक्ट हमको ढूंढना है, ये तो करेक्ट है. टीटीएफ वर्ड टेक्स्ट फाइल, डब्ल्यूएवी ऑडियो फाइल, EXE executable file. So what will be the correct answer? Max peoples are giving kind of B is the answer, but we'll see which one will be the correct answer for this one. And our answer will see, and B is the correct answer. Why? Because this is EXE is the executable file, WAV is audio file, JP is kind of graphical file, and TTF is kind of, it won't come under a word text file. That is what B is incorrect option, and that is the correct answer for this question, right? You can see here answer B is a correct option for this one, right? We'll move to the next question. Priyanka, actually D won't come because exe is executable file. That is what exe is correct answer, not correct answer. That is a correct match. So we have to find out incorrect match. So you can see B is a correct answer. Okay. Dipankar also D is giving, he is giving D answer, but D won't come. Okay. So B is a correct answer. So we'll move to the next question. You can see identify the correct ascending order of unit of digital memories. Right. We know that digital memories, how it will be kind of ordered. So you can see smaller will be byte, bit, kind of kilobyte, megabyte, terabyte. Okay, in that way we have to order. So kind of you can see megabyte, petabyte, gigabyte. ये तो this is also will not be answer. MB, TB, petabyte, gigabyte ये भी नहीं है. तो so GB, MB, no, this is also is not answer. MB, you can see here properly we have to kind of arrange in proper way. Right, nicely people are giving correct answer. MB, GB, TB, PB, right? So D is the correct answer. You can see D is the correct answer. So we'll move to the next question. Max people has given correct answer for this one. So we'll see in the context of internet, the facility in which the server application allows many users to create and edit page on website through their browsers is called as hacking, no, troll, no, cybernetics, no. So correct answer is Wikipedia. You can edit, you can add your information, you can kind of make a pages. So that is what 10th numbers kind of answer is D. Right? You can see correct answer for this one is D. Answer is D, not C. D is the correct answer. Cybernetics, no. Troll, no. Hacking, no. Wikipedia. Wikipedia can edit the information, can add the information, can create Wikipedia. So that will allow you to create the page as well as kind of edit the pages. So that is what Wikipedia is the correct answer. We will move to the next question, right? So max people has given correct answer. So you can see 11th number question. Identify the correct chronology of internet facilities from the following: IMDb, Google, LinkedIn, YouTube. So you can see we have to kind of order in a chronology. You can see a proper way. Cybernetics काय असते? So we'll not describe each and everything here today because we have to kind of very fastly we have to solve, because many questions are there. 110 questions are there, 110 question. So live class will be more than 3 hours. So you can read that also. What will be the kind of uh, that concept. So you can see here order. Many people are answering C, D, C, D. So Google, YouTube, LinkedIn, IMDb, LinkedIn, Google, YouTube. So you can see which will be the correct answer. And one thing I want to tell is actually correct chronology for this internet facilities will be IMDb, okay, Google, then LinkedIn, and then YouTube. Okay, so correct answer is A, not C or D. That is what you have to see and you have to check it in proper way. So correct answer will be A, not C and D. So you can see correct answer for this one will be A, not kind of C or D. So you can check why that chronology is in that way also. Okay. So we'll move to the next question. For this kind of next question is identify the correct pair from the following. Now here also is like a founders for the different websites and Hotmail, Wikipedia, and YouTube. So you have to find out the correct option. Google, Bill Gates, no. Hotmail, Tim Cook. Can see here you have to read first of all whatever the options they have given, and from that you have to kind of get the correct answer. So Hotmail, Cook, no. Wikipedia, Jemmy Wells, yes, this can be the answer. YouTube, Richard Stallman, this also is not correct. Answer is C, right? So you can see correct answer is C for this one, right? So C is the correct answer actually. Shilpa, Arvind has given correct answer. Sanjana has given correct answer. Rajan Das, no. Google not kind of founded by the Bill Gates. Okay, so you have to check it all. Who Google means, like who is the founder of Google, so that you can get it. So we'll move to the next question. Dot doc is kind of which will be the file for this one? We know JPEG for picture, delete for del will be there. For drivers, kind of different extension, but documents will be kind of words files will be saved in a document extension. So you can see here A is the correct answer for this one, right? So many people has given correct answer for this also. So correct answer is A, right? We'll move to the next question. Max people has given correct answer, good. So we'll see in computer terminology which of the following is the largest term of data capacity: KB, TB, MB, GB. Out of this, which one will be the correct answer? One person has given correct answer now. Monisha Chaudhary has given correct answer is a B. Good. TB, we know TB is the highest capacity. KB, MB, GB, and then TB will come. That is what B is the correct answer. Good. Max people has given correct answer for this one. It's very nice. Yeah, it's very good. So kind of answer very fastly so that we can kind of go maximum and maximum questions. So we'll go for the next question, and B is the correct answer for this one. So we'll go. Skype is visually used for social networking, interpersonal communication, or virtual classroom, or actual classroom. So you can see what will be the correct answer for kind of social. Skype. So what is Skype? Skype will be kind of will do a video on that one. So that is what actually it is not a social networking. It is not a social networking. Okay, this is a interpersonal communication we can do. Interpersonal. This is not a social networking. One thing I want to tell is a Skype is not a social. Skype is kind of will be used for video call. So we cannot post any photo or anything else on the Skype. That is what it is, not a social networking. It is kind of a interpersonal communication, right? So we'll move to the next question, and maximum people has given correct answer for this one is B, right? Interpersonal communication. We'll use Skype for interpersonal communication. So we'll move to the next question. Statistical table can be generally generated on, we knows that Microsoft Word we can create documents, Excel we can make tables. That is what the question is. Okay. Manisha, we'll move to the last, because Manisha, one thing I want to tell is Skype will use for the video calling. Like if there is a social networking, Facebook as well as kind of LinkedIn is a social networking, because we can post your photos, you can kind of see others post. That is what that can be called as a social networking. But kind of a Skype is not a social networking. It is kind of interpersonal communication. You can do it. Okay, you can do kind of interpersonal. Four people, five people can be attached to the video call, but you cannot post anything on Skype that will be publicly. Okay, तो हमें ये समझ में आना है कि Skype तो जैसे कि सोशल नेटवर्किंग में नहीं आता है। ओके, सोशल नेटवर्क में फेसबुक आता है, लिंक्डइन आता है, इंस्टाग्राम आता है। जैसे कि ये जो जिसमें हम पोस्ट कर सके, जिसमें हम फोटो डाल सके, जिसमें हम अपना खुद का ओपिनियन डाल सके, उसमें आता है। तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है 16 नंबर का, इसका आंसर करेक्ट है एक्सेल। एक्सेल में हम क्या कर सकते हैं, पावर पॉइंट में क्या कर सकते हैं, स्लाइड्स बना सकते हैं, पेंट ब्रश में क्या कर सकते हैं, पेंट बना सकते हैं, एक्सेल में हम टेबल बना सकते हैं। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज बी। यस, गुड, मैक्सिमम पीपल हैज गिवन बी इज अ करेक्ट आंसर। So we'll move to the next question for this one. Okay. In the context of internet, what is the full form of URL? Yes, maximum people will give correct answer for this one. URL is Universal Resource Locator. This is URL. D is the correct answer for this one. Sandhya Zavle has given correct answer, and good. It is very good that D is the correct answer. 17th D, Universal Resource Locator. Max people has kind of affected with the classes that they have learned kind of many things. So D is the correct answer, and max people has given D answer. It's very good. So you can go. We'll go to the next question. Okay, this is a D is the correct answer for this one, right? So we'll go 18th question. Dot DAT is used for. Yes, good, Manisha. Universal Research Locator. Dot, you can see dot dat is word file, deleted file, data file, driver file. So we have seen, yes, good, it is a data file. Okay, it is correct answer is data file, because that will be used for a kind of to extend, we'll keep that as an extension for the data file, not for the kind of driver file. Driver will not be kind of extended with the .dat. That is a data file. C is the correct answer for this one. Okay. So Rajan Das and Dipankar Bera has given little bit wrong answers, but you have to remember this all. That is what we have to actually, yesterday we did class on this one. We saw all the extensions which will be used for kind of different various files and kind of various websites, various short forms of internet related short forms we have seen. So good, maximum people has given correct answer for this one. Right, we'll move to the next question. 19th number question. In the context of computing and internet, identify the correct pair from the following. TB is memory storage unit, Play Store is operating system, Pixel color enhancing facility, USB antivirus. So which one will be the correct pair of this question? You can see TB. We know that TB is kind of a storage file. Storage we can do there. We know Pixel color enhancing capacity. You can see here. So correct will be kind of correct option for this one is a TB, because TB used for memory storage unit, that we have seen just now that TB will be the highest kind of memory unit in storage. USB will not come because USB antivirus. USB also is a storage unit. It is not an antivirus. We know Pixel, color enhancing facility. No, not Pixel for color enhancing. Pixel will be for enhancing picture quality. Okay. Play Store, we know kind of download the apps from Play Stores. Okay. That is not an operating system. Play Store is not an operating system. So correct answer will be A. You can see A is the correct answer. Max people are like little bit kind of confused with this question, so should not be getting confused with this one. TB is a memory unit, right? So you have to, that is what we have to read our options or our kind of questions in proper way, as well as options also in a proper way, right? So you will move to the next question, right? 20th question is, the term DTH is used in the context of use of computer for data analysis. DTH is direct to home. We will watch TV there. We will watch different channels. So what will be the correct answer for this one? Electronics, hearing aids, aid, direct transmission for diagnostics, use of satellites for television transmission. Yeah, maximum people has given correct answer for this one is a D, right? This is kind of a use of satellites for television transmission, right? Correct answer is D. Good. So we'll move to the next question for this test series. You can see here, identify the incorrect pair of media and performance indicators from the following. Yeah, good. Max people has given correct answer for the last question. You can see here, incorrect pair we have to find out. We know cinema will be kind of performance will be counted on box office. Okay. So newspaper circulation, radio and television, TVT. So we have to check it which one will be the incorrect pair, right? So you can see, and kind of max peoples are giving correct answer for this also, right? So good. That is D is the correct answer for, not C. You can see here, radio RDO is kind of incorrect option for this one. So you can see answer for this also. So we'll go. We'll move to the next question, right? In the context of FM radio, abbreviation FM stands for frequency manipulation, frequency modulation, or fidelity modifier, or fidelity modulations. So you can see correct answer for this one. Good. For this 22nd question, FM stands for frequency modulation. Okay, this B is correct answer for this one. Not frequency manipulation. It is not a manipulation, it is a modulation. You can see frequency modulation is correct answer for this one. Right? Some of people are giving D, B also, but B is the correct answer, not a fidelity modulation. It is a frequency modulation. Right? Good. So we'll move to the next question. The term broadband is used commonly in the context of FM radio, wireless communication, internet, and telegraphic communication. Broadband will be kind of using wires in that. That is what B will not be a correct answer for this one. FM radio cannot be connected with wire. Internet can be connected or cannot be connected. But D answer, telegraphic communication, is correct answer. Yes, good. D is a correct answer for this one, not a B, because wireless communication cannot be called as a broadband. Okay, broadband will be maximum time. It is connected with a wire. You can see D is a correct, telegraphic communication, broadband. So need to take little bit proper and positive way. Then only we can understand and kind of we'll see in next question for that one. Max people has given correct answer for this also. In the term of cost and time, which of the following is the most kind of economical form of international communication? Telegram, telex, fax, email, right? So email is kind of in term of cost and time, it is a better option to kind of send a or do any communication through internet. So that is what D is the correct answer, right? So max people has given correct answer to this one. Good. This is a very good kind of maximum people knows about the ICT and maximum concepts about ICT kind of people has studied. So we'll see next question for this one. Copyright law protects. We know what is copyright. Copyright is kind of the idea and your research will be kind of protected. That is called as a copyright. And kind of what is copyright is computer programs or kind of audio visual content, title and names, familiar symbols, idea, procedures, methods, and systems. So you can see here, actually, copyright will be kind of used for actually will be ideas, procedures, methods, and system. Actually, copyright law will be used for this one, right? So correct answer is D. Max people has given very nicely answer for this question. So this correct answer is D. Good. So we'll move to the next question. NMEICT stand for. We have seen last time kind of some options or kind of some short forms, long forms, and kind of stands for kind of different things we seen in last lecture. If you have seen, we have seen a kind of NMEICT will be kind of stands for a National Mission on Education through ICT, right? Information and Communication Technology through Maximum Learning Education. National Mission on a Learning or Education through the ICT. Right, max people has given correct answer for this one. D, fourth one is correct answer because it is a national mission on e-learning through the ICT. Okay, good. So we will move to the next question for this also. You can see which of the following is in instant messaging application. Which one is the instant messaging application? Good. Maximum kind of has given correct answer. Which of the following is instant messaging applications? WhatsApp, Google Talk, Viber. Select the correct answers from the code given below. First and second, second and third, first only, and first, second, third. So D, correct, because all will be used for instant messaging. Right? So correct answer is D. We'll move to the next question. Good. Next people are given kind of read a total question as well as all options also. So you can see that is what sometime will be wrong while answering. So good. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के ऊपर जाएंगे हम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. इन ए कंप्यूटर ए बाइट जनरली कंसिस्ट ऑफ 4 bit, 8 bits, 16 bits, 10 bits. Actually, bytes is equal to 8, right? Yes, good. That is what second will be the correct answer. You can see answer is B. So we'll move to the next question. Second is correct answer. Yes, 8. Okay, so we'll move to the next question. Which of the following is not input device? Microphone, keyboard, joystick, monitor. Good. Which of the following is not an input device? which is an not a input device. You can see here, yes, microphone, keyboard, joystick, monitor. Monitor is correct answer because it is not a input device, it is a output device, right? So correct answer is 4. So we'll see next question. You can see correct answer also. D is a correct answer, yes. You can see which of the following is an open source software: MS Word, Windows, Mozilla Firefox, Acrobat Reader. If you can see, if you have used all the softwares, MS Words also ask money, Windows asks money, Acrobat Reader asks money, but Mozilla Firefox will be an open source software. Okay, so third one will be the correct answer, right? So you can see third C is the correct answer for this one, right? So we'll move to the next question. 33 is correct answer for that one, right? So we'll see next question. Good. Max people has given correct answer for this one. We'll move to the next question. Which of the following enable us to send the same letter to the different person in MS Word? Mail join, mail copy, mail insert, mail merge. Which of the following enable us to send the same letter to the different persons in MS Word? Yes, good. Is mail merge. That is correct answer. So max people has given correct answer. Mail merge is correct answer actually. D is the correct answer. Some people are giving two, but it is not. Mail copy will not kind of enable us to send the same letter to the different people. So correct answer is fourth. So we'll see next question. The acronym FTP stand for File Transfer Protocol, Fast Transfer Protocol, File Tracking Protocol, File Transfer Procedure. 32. Yes, it is FTP stand for File Transfer Protocol. Good. File transfer. It is a file transfer protocol, not a file transfer, fast transfer or file tracking or file transfer procedure. It is a file transfer protocol. So we'll move to the next question. Good. Max people has given correct answer for this one. Which of the following is not an image graphics file format? PNG, GIF, BMP, and GUI. As we know, PNG is graphical format, file format. GIF is graphical file format. BMP is graphical file format. But GUI is not. That is what D is correct answer. Good. Max people has given correct answer for this one. Is D actually. Good. So we'll move to the next question. D answer is correct. So 34th question. The first web browser is. The first web browser is Internet Explorer, Netscape, www, or Firefox. So you can see first web browser is www, right? Is kind of web browser. That is World Wide Web. Correct. So next correct answer for this question is C. So you can see here, and max people kind of giving A, B, something answers, but C is the correct answer. Good. Netscape is not a first web browser. Actually, first web browser is www, right? So you have to read first of all. That is what actually we should have all concepts clear. Then only we can answer. Correct answer is C. We'll move to the next question for kind of our test series. When a computer is booting, BIOS is loaded, BIOS is loaded to the memory by RAM, ROM, CD-ROM, TCP. This is a little bit more deeper question, but answer for this question is ROM. Actually, BIOS or BIOS will be loaded from the ROM. So you can see correct answer for this one. If you know exact kind of answer, yes, ROM is correct answer. Maximum people has given correct answer. ROM. So we'll move to the next question. Which of the following is not the same as the other three? MAC address, hardware address, physical address, IP address. Good. ROM is the correct answer for that one. So you can see this question, which one of the following is not the same as the other three? MAC address, hardware address, physical address, IP address. You can see MAC address. Okay, D is the correct answer for this one. MAC address, hardware address. It is these all three are same, and IP address is a different phenomenon. So that is what IP address is correct answer for this one. Some people are giving little bit kind of wrong answers, but you can see here MAC address, hardware address, and physical address. You can see hardware and physical. There is no change. Hardware means the things which we can see physically. So that is what both B and C are same. That is what first three are kind of same, and 36th answer correct answer is IP address, right? So D is the correct answer. So we'll see next question, and D is the correct answer for this one. So you can see next question. Identify IP address from the following. You can see how IP address will be written. Once you have seen sometime, if you've seen how IP address will be, then only you can write the answer for this one. You can see wherever no space in IP address. One thing I would like to tell, there will be no space. There will be kind of this kind of things at the rate or hash star. This kind of things will not be there. There will not be a space. Some people are giving answer where space is there. Space, no space in IP address. There should not be space in IP address. So answer for this one, there will not be a dash in that. So you can see if you have seen sometime IP address, then only we can. So C is the correct answer for that one. Yes, good. So you can see correct answer is C. So we'll move to the next question. And some people are giving wrong answer for this question. Is it should be only dots in between, but it should not be. It should not have any space. That is what A is not correct answer. Otherwise, A also is little bit kind of looks like IP address, but there should not be a space in between the kind of dot and number also. So C is the correct answer. There should not be hyphen. There should not any other thing than the dot. Okay, so that is what C is the correct answer. We'll move to the next question. CSS stand for cascading style sheet, collecting style sheet, comparative style sheet, or comprehensive style sheet. So I'm waiting. Yes, good. Some of people are giving kind of correct answer for this one is A, right? So it is a cascading style sheet, CSS, and correct answer for this one is A. Yes, good. Good. So we'll move to the next question. GIF, JPG, BMP, PNG are used as extension of the file which stores audio data, image data, video data, text data. Just now we have seen in last question. Okay, so all should give correct answer for this one. JPEG. Yes, good. Should be image, right? So correct answer for this one is B. You can say answer is B. That is what we have to think and we have to see. B is it is all extensions will be used for image data, right? So we'll move to the next question. Which one of the following is not a search engine? Google, Chrome, Yahoo, Bing. Read properly question and then only answer. Google is kind of search engine. Yahoo is search engine. Bing also is search engine, but Chrome is not a search engine. Chrome is will not be kind of act as a search engine. That is what correct answer will be B, which is not a search engine they asked. That is what we have to kind of see. What are the search engines are there? Bing is search engine. You can see Bing is search engine. So if you used Bing, then only you can understand kind of if it is like unknown, that is what we should not answer. That is kind of a search engine. But Chrome is not a search engine. So we'll move to the next question. So you can go. WWW stand for Work with Web, World Wide Web, World Wide Web, or World Wide Web, Worthwhile Web. Good. World Wide Web. Good. Some people are Manisha Chaudhary has given correct, wrong answer that B. Need to read properly options. That is what actually this is called competitive exams. We have to read in a proper way. Then only we can understand. B is not the correct answer. That is word, and this is world. Actually, we have to kind of see which one is the correct. So it is not a B is not correct. Word wide web. So right. So we'll kind of see. Correct answer is World Wide Web, right? Yes, sir, it's mistake. Okay, Chrome web browser. Yes, good. That is correct. Actually, that is web browser. That is not a search engine, right? So you can see WW stands for World Wide Web. That is third option is correct for this one, right? So we'll move to the next question. A computer program that translate programs statement by statement into a machine language is called as compiler, simulator, translator, interpreter. Compiler, stimulator, translator, interpreter. So which one will be the correct answer for this one is D, because this will translate kind of programs uh, into one language to other, right? Machine languages, right? So that is what that is the correct D is the correct answer for that one. Can see. Let me check once what are the answers people has given for this also. Is like D, B, sir, inorganic chemistry on live class series Lijena. Okay, we'll see that also because just now we have hired one of the tutor for you. He will teach inorganic chemistry. Okay, so you can see D is the correct answer. Some of people are giving wrong answers for this one. Translator, computer program that translate a program statements by statement into a machine's language. It is not a language translation, right? So D is the correct answer. Interpreter. So we'll move to the next question. Which of the following is correct chronology of internet based on a facilities? Google, Hotmail, Facebook, WhatsApp. Facebook, Google, Hotmail, WhatsApp. Hotmail, Google, Facebook, WhatsApp. And Hotmail, Facebook, Google, WhatsApp. Which one will be the chronology for this answer? You can see here Hotmail, Google, Facebook, WhatsApp. So you have to check it in a proper way. Manisha, actually, Rohan Chaudhary will take you like he will kind of take all inorganic as well as physical chemistry. So he teaches very nicely. So you follow to the Rohan Chaudhary and you can even kind of ask questions in comment box so that he can answer the questions whichever you have. So So you can get it. So now, yes, good, correct. C is the correct answer. Hotmail, Google, Facebook, WhatsApp. So we'll move to the next question. And correct answer is C for this question. So we'll move to the next question. Next question is identify the odd element from the following on the basis of its basic functions. Windows, Android, MS Office, Linux, Unix. You have to see kind of odd elements out of this, which one will be. Windows is operating system, Android is Android operating system, MS Office, Linux, and Unix. What are it is? You have to check it once. And correct answer for this one, because Linux is operating system, Unix is operating system, but MS, it is Office. It is not an operating system. That is what correct answer will be A, because that is kind of Microsoft Office. A is the correct answer. Yes, good. Maximum people has given correct answer for this one. A is correct answer. Windows, Linux, Unix all are operating system. MS Office is not an operating system, right? So that is what MS Office is the correct answer. So good. So correct answer is A. So we'll move to the next question. What is the full form of PDF in the context of computer file system? Personalized data format, pixel data format, picture data format, and portable document files. PDF. It is a kind of a portable data, portable document files, because it is not a pixel, it is not a picture, it is not a personal data format, but it is a D, which is called as a portable data file. Sorry, portable document files. So D is the correct answer, right? So you can see D is the correct answer. We'll move to the next question faster. And all people has given correct answer for this one. A compiler is a software which converts characters to bits, high level languages to the machine languages to the high level languages, and word to bits. You can see, read first properly question and then kind of answer correct. So you can see here, character to bit, high level languages to the machine languages. This will be the correct answer, because compiler software will convert high level languages to the machine language, right? So B is the correct answer. Right? Yes, B is the correct answer. You can see, actually compiler software will convert high level languages to a machine languages, right? Little bit confusion. B is the correct answer. So we'll move to the next question for this, our test series. A gigabyte is equal to the GB is equal to a GB is equal to 1024 KB kilobytes. That's what B is will be the correct answer for this one. You can see GB. If you know correct series, yes, good. KB, TB, byte, and megabyte. 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. That is what, good. All has given correct answer, and A is the correct answer for that. So we'll move to the next question. Identify the correct pair from the following: Ubuntu operating system, Excel word processing software, AVI file transfer protocol, HDD cloud storage facility. Correct pair is, you have to check it. Excel is not a word processing software. You can kind of make a table in that. So you have to see, AVI is a not file transfer protocol. AVI will be used for kind of videos. You have to kind of find out the correct kind of option here. Ubuntu is a correct, because Ubuntu is operating system, but Excel is not word processing software. Excel can make tables. AVI is video format, a video extension. HDD is not a cloud storage facility. So you can see A is correct answer for 48, right? So you can see kind of correct answer is A. I'll see how many people has given correct answer for this one. Good. Ubuntu is an operating system, and that is the correct answer for that this question, right? Ubuntu is an operating system. So we'll move. Virtual memory is extremely large main memory, an extremely large secondary memory, an exclusion of extremely large main memory, and a type of memory used in the supercomputer. Actually, virtual memory is a illusion of extremely large main memory, and C is the correct answer for this one. C. Rajan Das has given correct answer. It is not an extremely large secondary, but it is a illusion of extremely large. It is a virtual memory. That is what C is the correct answer. You can see C is correct answer. So we'll move to the next question. GIF stands for Global Information Format, Graphical Information Format, Graphical Interchange for Files, Graphical or Graphics Interchange Format. Graphics Interchange Format will be the correct answer for this one, right? So max people kind of giving graphics interchange format. Graphics interchange format, not a files. So format, that is a format. GIF is a graphics interchange files. So D will be the correct answer for this one. Yes, D, not a C. So we'll move to the next question. And D is the correct answer for this one. Which one of the following is not an operating system? We know Linux is an operating system. We have seen, sorry. IBM X is an operating system. Sun Solaris is an operating system, but Firefox is not an operating system, right? It is a web browser. So that is what kind of D is an correct answer for this one. Firefox is an web browser. That is what there's operating system. That is what operating system we have to check it in proper way. So D is correct answer, right? So we'll move to the next question. Which of the following is an social networking? Amazon.com, eBay, Gmail, Twitter. All people has to give correct answer for this one and very fast. Good. Started answers already, and D is the correct answer. Amazon is not an social networking. Twitter is an social networking. So good. Twitter. So we'll move to the next question. Internal communication within the institution done through LAN, WAN, EBB, MMS. In last lecture, we have seen what was the internal communication within the institution. Is local area network, wide area network, EBB, MMS. Right? Good. LAN is the correct answer for that one. Is a local area network. A is an correct answer, not a WAN. WAN is a wide area network. That is, WAN will be connecting different cities. Different countries all over the world. So we'll move to the next question. Video conferencing can be classified as one of the following type of communication. देखना है प्रॉपर से क्वेश्चन हमको रीड करना है. क्वेश्चन रीड करने का तरीका बहुत मतलब इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, क्योंकि जब हम प्रॉपर वे से क्वेश्चन रीड करते हैं तो हमको पता चलता है कि किस तरीके से क्वेश्चन को हैंडल करना है, किस तरीके से हमको इसका करेक्ट आंसर निकालना है. वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग एक साइड से तो नहीं होता है, हम खुद को तो कर नहीं सकते, तो दो साइड रहेगा. ऑडियो विजुअल वन वे नहीं रहेगा, वन वे तो रहेगा ही रहेगा नहीं. ऑडियो विजिबल टू वे, ऑडियो तो रहता है ओनली. डी तो आंसर नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि विजुअल टू वे, मगर ऑडियो तो रहना चाहिए. तो करेक्ट आंसर सी है इसका. तो सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर बिकॉज ऑडियो के साथ विजुअल एंड टू वे होना चाहिए. अपने साथ एक अपोजिट ही कोई ना कोई तो वीडियो में आना चाहिए, और उसका भी मतलब टू वे होता है वो. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे हम. करेक्ट आंसर हैज गिवन बाय मेनी पीपल्स. The term TRP is associated with the TV shows stand for total rating point, time rating point, thematic rating point, television rating points. So you can see kind of what TRP stands for: television rating point, or total rating point, or thematic rating point, or time rating point. We know it will be used for a TV shows. So that is what it will be stand for: television rating points. So you check it properly. D is the correct answer. So max people has given correct answer is a television rating point. So we'll move to the next question. लाइफ साइंस अपने पास कोई ट्यूटर तो नहीं है अभी, मगर फिर भी हम ट्राई करेंगे. ओके, so I'll be informing you. So we'll go for the next question. TCP/IP is necessary if one is to connect to the IP address. That is kind of TCP or IP address they asked. IP address for what? To connect each other, right? Phone line, landline, internets, a server. Good. Internet. IP address will be used for internet, right? So we'll move to the next question. Maximum people has given correct answer for this one, 56. Internet. So we'll move to the next question. Which of the following is not a program language? Right? Pascal, Java, C++. These all three are languages, but Microsoft Office is not language. That is what answer will be B. C++ is language. Good. Manisha Power has given correct answer. Microsoft Office. Java is a language, so should not be given Java as an answer. And Pascal is a language. Pascal also is language for the program language, that is. So B is the correct answer. So you can check. Bhagyasri Deshmukh giving wrong answer. C++ is language. They asked following is not programming language, not a programming language. ओके, संध्या जावड़े बोल रहे हैं कि सर फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री के लिए लाइव क्लासेस लेना है, तो देखेंगे, ट्राई करेंगे हम लाइव क्लासेस लेने के. ओके, तो देखना है हमें कि Microsoft Office is not kind of a language. Okay, so we'll move to the next question. Internet Explorer is a type of operating system, compiler, browser, or IP address. Fast answers. It is a browser. It is a web browser, right? We know that it is not an operating system. It is not a compiler. Good. So correct answer is the C, browser. It is a browser. Rajan Das is giving A answer. A is not correct answer because it is not an operating system. It is a browser, web browser. Operating system is Windows, Linux, Ubuntu. Okay, so it is a browser. So we'll move to the next question. PO3, POP3, IMPA are email accounts in which one automatically get one mail every day. One has to be connected to the server to read or write one's mail. One only has to be connected to the server and send or receive mail. One does not need any telephone lines. So this is a little bit all knows this one, but will not be observed in a proper way. That is what will kind of miss these questions. You can see actually answer for this question should be one only has to be connected to the server to send or receive emails. Okay, if you want to send any email or any if you want to receive any email, you have to be connected to the server. Okay, so C is the correct answer for 59th question. I'll see how many of you have given correct answer. Good, many has given correct answer for this one. We'll move to the next question. ALU stand for American Logic Unit, Alternative Logic Unit, Alternating Logic Unit, and Arithmetic Logic Unit. All should give correct answer for this one. It is an Arithmetic Logic Unit. Good. And I am getting correct answers for this question is Arithmetic Logic Unit. So good. We'll move to the next question and correct answer for this one is B. We'll move to the next question. A personal computer uses a number of chips mounted on a circuit board called as microprocessor, system board, daughter board, motherboard. Read properly question. A personal computer uses a number of chips mounted on a circuit board called as. Good. And correct answer should be the D because that will be called as monitor, or sorry, that is called as a motherboard. Sorry, that is a motherboard. Good. So we'll move to the next question. Computer virus is hardware, bacteria, software, none of these. Hardware, bacteria, software, none of this. And I guess all people will give correct answer for this also. Because virus is not a hardware, it is not a bacteria, it is none of this also won't come, but C is the correct answer because it is a software. Good. And kind of many people has given correct answer for this one. It is a very nice practice, kind of to check our own knowledge. So Padma has given D answer, none of this. No, it is virus, computer virus is a software. So we'll move to the next question. And correct answer is software. So you can see the file extension of MS Word document in Office 2007 is .pdf, .document, .docx, and .txt. You can see they have asked in a particular 2007 Office. So if we are using 2016 or other any kind of MS Office, you'll be getting other DOC. But correct answer is yes. C is correct answer. Bhagyashi and Jaka CM has giving wrong answers. But C, DOC is in 2016, but 2007 Office MS uses DOCX. Okay, that is what this is a very good question to kind of check us. You have to go and you have to check in 2007 MS Office. The kind of MS Word extension will be the DOCX. So that is also is a document, but 2016 or other version of MS Office will have a DOC, but in 2007 it is DOCX. Good, so we'll move to the next question. Not an D or other answers. Text also is not an answer. B also is not answer, but answer is C. So we'll move to the next question. Good that max people are giving correct answer for this one. DOCX. Okay, so we'll move to the next question. Dash dash is a protocol used by email client to download email to the computer. TCP, FTP, SMTP, POP. To download email to your computer, which protocol will be used by email clients to download emails to the computer? TCP? No. FTP? No. It is file transfer protocol. SMTP? No. It is a POP. Just now we have seen POP will be using, or correct answer for this one is D. Check once. That is what yesterday also I was kind of taking all options, kind of short form, long form. If you knows that, then only you can answer, or kind of then only we can kind of give a correct answer for questions. So you can see D is the correct answer. So we'll move to the next question, right? So D is correct answer. So we'll move to the next question. DNS in internet technology stand for dynamic name system, domain name system, distributed name system, none of the above, right? So you can see DNS is domain name system. It is actually directly related to the computer. It is a domain name system, right? So it will not be distributed or it will not be dynamic. It is a domain name system. So kind of max people has given correct answer for this one is a domain name system, right? So we'll move to the next question. And actually one question is there. I got one question, that what is the long form of POP? Okay, POP is post post office protocol. That is what post office protocol. Okay, that actually you have to check it. Post office protocol, that will be kind of stand for. So domain name system, correct. We'll move to the next question. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, hypertext manipulation language, hypertext managing link, hypertext manipulating links. And one thing, guys, if you like our content, please kind of like the video and share with your friends also. Good. So correct answer hypertext markup language, and correct answer is A. Good. Max people has given correct answer for this one. So we'll move to the next question. Right? Which of the following is a type of LAN? Ethernet, token ring, FDDI, all of the above. So you can see which of the following is type of LAN. Ethernet, token ring, FDDI. Ethernet is a type of LAN actually. Ethernet will be used as a LAN. LAN is a local area network, and Ethernet will be used for connecting computers through the internet in a institution. That is what called as Ethernet. So correct answer is A, because all of the above cannot be used. Token ring and FDDI also is not. Ethernet will be used. Max people are giving kind of wrong answer for this one, because if you doesn't use this, you will not come to know. Okay, that is what we have to read. At least we have to read. Ethernet is correct answer, because Ethernet will be used for connecting a different PCs or laptops in a particular institution. Okay, Jaka, Ajit Kumar, Sapna, Raji has given all of the above, but all of the above will not come. FDDI is not a kind of will be used as a LAN, or token ring also is not. So Ethernet is the correct answer. So we'll go for the next question. Which of the following statement is true? Smart card do not require an operating system. Smart card and PCs use some operating systems. COS is smart card operating system. The communication between reader and card is in full duplex mode. Smart card and PCs uses operating system. That is should be the correct answer, because you can see smart card do not require operating system. It is a wrong statement. And COS is a smart card operating system. This also is wrong statement. The communication between reader and card is in full duplex mode. This is also not. So operating system should be there. That is called as a kind of correct statement, and that is smart card and PCs uses some operating systems, right? So we'll move to the next question, and correct answer is B. So we'll move to the next question. Which of the following operating system is used on mobile phone? Windows Vista, Android, Windows XP, and all of the above. I need faster answers for this one. In Android phone, which operating system will be there? Yes, good. Max people are giving kind of B answer. That is a Android, right? Android will use Android system, Android operating system. So some more 30 questions are there. You have to be with us to know each and everything about ICT. So watch video till the end to solve maximum. And one thing I would like to tell you, if you are solving these all questions, I am giving you a surety that you are kind of revising your ICT totally, because all questions kind of covering a last 10-year question papers, right? So this will be very useful for this one. If once you watch this video, already you have solved last 10-year question papers question. So these are all helpful for you to move to the used to create machine language program, high level program, web page, web server. You can see what is HTML. Is an web page. HTML is an web page, right? Machine language program, high level program, web server. No, it is a web page. HTML will be used to create web page. So I'll see who has given correct answer for this one. Okay, C is a correct answer, not A or something else, but it will be used for the creating web pages. So some of people has given wrong answers. Sandhya, Ajit Kumar, and Barnali Das has given wrong answers. A, machine language program. No, HTML will be used for web pages. So correct answer will be C. So we'll move to the next question. You can see the term DNS stand for domain name system, defense nuclear system, downloadable new software, or dependent name server. Good, domain name system, and max people has given correct answer for this one. Good, so I'll kind of move to the next question. So which number system is usually followed in the typical 32-bit computer? I'm expecting answers from all of you. You can see here which number system is usually used for or in a 32-bit computer. It is a repeated question. Okay, yes. But this question repeated here, it means that the same question has repeated in question paper. I have all questions carried from the question papers. So you can see not a 16, actually it is a 8-bit, 8. Okay, 8. You can check 32-bit computer already uses number system 8. So Kavita has given answer correct, as well as Pranali has given, Sapna also has given, Ajit Kumar has given, Arvind has given. So these people has given, but other people are giving 16. 16 will not be in a 32-bit computer. So you have to check all 32-bit. You can see 32-bit and 64-bit which kind of number system uses. But 32-bit computer uses 8 number system. Okay, so we'll move to the next question. Which one of the following is example of operating system? Operating system: MS Word, MS Excel, or kind of Microsoft Access, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, or Microsoft Windows. And operating system, as of we know, it is a Windows 73 Windows. Good. It is not a Word. It is Word is not an operating system. So good. Bhagyashree Deshmukh has given wrong answer. Windows is an operating system. Good. We'll move to the next question. Which one of the following is different from the other members? Google, Windows, Linux, Mac. And I'm kind of sure that all people will give correct answer. Here there is a Windows is operating system, Linux is an operating system, Mac is also an operating system. Or you can see 74. Good. Google is a kind of search engine, right? So that is what correct answer is, A and Google. Right, we'll move to the next question, and next people has given correct answer for this one is a Google. So you can check it. The kind of here given all kind of operating systems, and Google is not an operating system; it is a search engine. So we'll move to the next question. Where does a computer add and compare its data? CPU, memory, hard disk, floppy disk. Where does computer add and compare its data? That is hard disk, because hard disk, CPU is not CPU, memory no, but hard disk, all data will be added to the hard disk and it will be compared. So that is what correct answer is, C. So you can check it. C is correct answer. We'll move to the next question. Computer on internet are identified by email address, street address, IP address, none of the above. But we can identify computers, different computers, through IP address. 76, correct, good. C is a IP address. We can identify computers through IP addresses. So we'll move to the next question. Max people has given correct answer and they knows all. So we'll move to the next question. Which one of the following is not Internet Service Provider, ISP? MTNL, BSNL, ERNet India, or Infotech India Limited? Infotech India Limited doesn't provide internet. So that is what D should be the correct answer for this one. So you can check it. D is correct answer, because Infotech India Limited doesn't provide internet service. So that is what correct answer is, D. So I'll check how many of you have given correct answer. Good. C not ER Net India has kind of providing the internet services. So we'll move to the next question, because sometime what happens, if you don't know, we'll kind of answer wrong. So we'll move to the next question. 1 GB is equal to 1 GB is equal to 230 bit, 230 byte, 220 bits, or 220 bytes. So I'm expecting this answer from all of you. It is kind of a answer will be in byte, but 1 GB is equal to 230 byte or bit or 220 bit. This is a fixed number that 1 GB is equal to 230 bytes. BYTES. So correct answer will be a B for this one. So I'll check how many of you have given correct answer for this question. 78 correct. B is a correct answer. Official task. One of the our viewer has given correct answer. Suman has given correct answer. But some of are kind of giving a D. D is not a correct answer. 230 bytes. BYTES. Correct. So B is a correct answer. Not a D or C or A. So we'll move to the next question. The set of computer program that manage the hardware software of a computer is called hardware and software managing system, compiler, operating system, none of the above. Operating system, or obvious, hardware and software will be operated or kind of managed with the operating system, right? So you can see correct answers for this 79. Yes, good. C is a correct answer, because hardware as well as software will be managed by this operating system. Good. So we'll move to the next question. Correct answer is C. We'll move to the next question. Is SMIME in Internet Technology stand for Secure Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension, Secure Multimedia Internet Mail Extension, or Simple Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension, Simple Multimedia Internet Mail Extension. And correct answer for this one is a Secure Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension. A is the correct answer, not C. You can check it once. What is the secure? That is not a simple. So it is secure multipurpose internet mail extension. So we have to read it. And A is the correct answer for this one. Kind of little bit. Don't be confused. 80 is A. Good. So we'll go for the next question for this one. What do you need to put your web page on the www? A connection to the internet, a web browser to internet, a web server, or all of the above. What do you need to put your web page on the www, right? And kind of you can check it. Connection to the internet, correct. Web browser, correct. Web server, correct. So that is what all of the above will be the answer for this one. And good. Kind of maximum people, like, nobody is giving correct answers. 81 is D. Official task as giving correct answer for this one. And D is a correct answer, because www kind of need to put a connection to the internet as well as web browser as well as web servers also. So good, we'll move to the next question. Which is not online Indian matrimonial website? So many of kind of people knows about matrimonial websites. So we'll see how many of you are kind of checking websites, and those who knows about Indian matrimonial website. Which one is not an matrimonial website? Indian matrimonial. www.jivansati.com, www.bharatmatrimony.com, www.shadi.com, www.uksinglemuslim.com. Yes, good. Maximum people has given correct answer, because the website contains UK. It is not an from India. If there is a IN, then only it is from India. That is what. Fourth, D is the correct answer. We will move to the next question. Good. What is blog? Online music, internet, intranet, a personal or corporate website, in the form of online journals, a personal or corporate Google search. What is blogs? It is a personal or corporate website in the form of online journal. So correct answer will be C. Good. So you can check it. Yes, good. 83 will be C. That is a personal or corporate website in the form of online journals. Good. So we'll move to the next question. C is the correct answer. Good, and max people has given correct answer for this question. bit stand for binary information term, binary digits, binary tree, or a bivariate theory. It is a binary digits. So there is nothing to kind of a check here. 84 stands for B. Good, and max people knows about this. So we'll move to the next question. Which one of the following is not a linear data structure? Array, binary tree, queue, stack. Good. Max people has given correct answer. Which one of the following is not a linear data structure? And correct answer for this one will be a binary tree. Okay, so you can check it. B is correct answer for that one. This question, because the has Poonam Panchal has given correct answer. 85 will have a B answer. Good. So we'll move to the next question. B is the correct answer for this one. Which one of the following is not network device? Router, switch, hub, CPU. Which one is not a network device? You can see router is network device, switch is network device, hub is network device, but CPU is not network. That is what correct answer is a D. And I guess yes, good, maximum people has given correct answer for this question. 84B, okay. But Sandhya Zavade also given answer correct. Good, max people are giving D answer, which is CPU. It is not a network device. So we'll move to the next question. Good. So answer correct is D. We'll move to the next question, and next question is which one of the following is not related to information security on the internet? Data encryption, watermarking, data hiding, or information retrieval. Information retrieval, because kind of security, information security will be kind of secured by data encryption, watermarking, data hiding, but information retrieval is not related to the information security on internet. That is what D will be the correct answer for this one. You can check it. Data encryption will be used for the security of information. So we'll go for the next question, and correct answer is D. Okay. So I'll check it once whether how many people has giving correct answer, and D is the correct answer. Okay, 87 is D actually. Good. So we'll move to the next question. A very famous and kind of normally used kind of keyboard. That keyboard has at least 91 keys, 101 keys, 111, 11, 111 keys, or 121 keys. I'll check it. How many of you will give correct answer for? Good. It is very good and very nicely people are giving correct answer is 88B. Good. So we'll move to the next question, and B is the correct answer. 101 keys will be there on keypad. So we'll move to the next question. Which one of the following is not computer language? Already we have kind of gone through the same question, and we know Pascal is a language, Unix or Fortran or COBOL. Which one is not a computer language? You can see Unix is an operating system. That is what this is not a language of computer. You have to check it. If you knows all the kind of terms in computer, then you can kind of answer the correct. So you can check it. Unix. Unix is an operating system. That is what it is, not a language of any computer. That is what correct answer is B. So we'll move to the next answer, next question. And good, maximum people has given correct answer. So we'll move to the next question. An email address is composed of two part, three part, four part, five part. And correct answer for this question is two part actually. An email address, because I don't think so everybody knows about, but A is a correct answer for that one. 90, not C, not in a four part, it will be kind of composed. It will be composed in a two parts. Okay, so A, first answer is correct for this one. You can check once kind of through the internet. You check it how many kind of email address is composed of. It will be in two parts. So correct answer is A. So we'll move to the next question and correct answer is A. Some people are giving kind of wrong answers also, is like C, three parts or four parts, something like that. But it is not a three or four parts. It is a two parts. So you can check it how email address will be. Okay, so we'll move to the next question. Error in computer programs are called as follies, mistakes, bugs, and spams. This you should know. Neha will see how it will be. So you have to kind of check it once. So you'll not go through each and everything. Yeah, bugs. It's good. 91 is bugs. So good. So we'll move to the kind of next question is, it will be bugs. Errors in computer programs will be called as a bugs. So correct answer is C. We'll move to the next question. HTML is basically used to design web page, website, graphics, table and frames. Good maths people are giving good answers with a good logic. Website, web page, HTML. Already this question is repeating. This question came second time. So that is what kind of you should know answer for this one, right? So good, 92 first web page. Good. A is correct answer. So we'll move to the next question, and A is the correct answer for this one. HTML will be used for designing a web page. So we'll move to the next question. Next question is, microprocessing is made of computer, digital system, calculator, electronic goods. Microprocessing is made for. Okay, microprocesses is made for a digital system. So correct answer will be a B. It is a microprocessor is made for digital system, not for kind of a computer or calculator or electronic tools. But you can check it once. Correct answer will be B, and kind of given by the Kavita Chauhan. Rajan Das is giving good answers. Also, all people are giving good answer, but sometime mistakenly happens something like Rajan Das, Ajit Kumar has given good answer and correct answer. That is also is like B is correct answer. Digital system. So we'll move to the next question. Information, a combination of graphics, text, sound, video, and animation is called as a multi-program, multi-facet, multimedia, multiprocessor. Oh, sorry, Poonam, I'll not answer first. I'll wait for your answers. Yeah, good. Now for this question, 94th question, max people has answered. Nice. And multimedia, that all can be called as a multimedia. Okay, so multimedia contains all the programs like information, combination of graphics, text, sound, and videos, animations. Good. So we'll move to the next question. Which part of central processing unit CPU performs calculation and makes a decision? Kind of arithmetic logical unit, alternating logic unit, alternate logic unit, local unit, or American local unit. So I know that all people will give correct answer and started already. A is correct answer. Arithmetic logic unit. Good. So correct answer is A. Good. I'm feeling happy that all people kind of answering very nicely. And A is correct answer. We'll move to the next question. PPI stands for dot per inches digit per inch unit, dots pixel inches, and diagram for inches. So, Ekta saying actually that is correct only. So you can check it. You can once clarify also. I have actually clarified. I searched also about it. So you can check it. This question, 96 question, DPI stands for dot per inches. A 94. Okay, good. Sanjay Zavle B. A Ajit Kumar given. Kiran Mehta given correct answer. Kavita Chavan. But C, dot pixel inches won't come because the DPI stands for dot per inches. Okay, so A is correct answer. Not a little bit confusion is there, but should not be there. Confusion should not be there. So dots per inches. Actually, this is the advantage of solving questions before going to exam. So good. So you'll see next question. Good. So we'll go to the next question. The process of laying out a document with text, graphics, headline, and photograph is involved in desktop publishing, desktop printing, desktop publishing, or a desktop printing. Sorry, here is some print mistake. Dex, deck and desk. Sorry, you have to read properly. Desktop publishing, desktop public printing, desktop publishing, and a desktop printing. So correct answer should be 97 stands for actually process of laying out documents with a text, graphics, headline, and photograph involved in desktop publishing. Okay, so this it is a desk, not a deck. So C is the correct answer because you see desktop publishing, not a printing. So deck will not come. Deck is not a kind of deck. Wherever deck is there, that should not be the answer. Okay, desktop printing will not come. Desktop publishing. So we'll see next kind of next. Sorry, correct answer is C. Okay, so we'll go for the next question. Transfer of data from one application to another line is known as dynamic disk exchange, .g data exchange, uh, dogmatic data exchange, or dynamic data exchange. Circuit 98 is a dynamic data exchange. So you can check it and kind of good. Max people are giving correct answer. Is a dynamic data exchange. Good. So we'll move to the next question because maximum people has given correct answer and it's very good. And kind of you can see correct answer is D. We'll move to the next question. 99. CD-ROM stands for computer disk will be the fix, but ROM will be read-only memory or read-over memory or read-only memory or read kind of you can check it properly. Computer compact disk or computer disk. Don't get confused in these two words because once you get confused, you will definitely miss the marks. Here will be a compact disk. CD is kind of stands for compact disk, not for the computer disk. So out wherever computer disk is there, that are not our options, which we have to tick. Okay. So compact disk out of compact disk, read over memory never comes. So that is what C should be the answer. So good. So we'll see answer for this question. Answer C. Good. So what is compact disk read only memory? So C is not a over memory. Read over memory will not come. You have to kind of know about it, then only kind of you can solve properly. So we'll move to the next question. Okay. 100 numbers question. The brain of computer which keeps peripheral under its control is called brain of computer which keeps peripherally under its control is common power unit, common processing unit, central processing unit or central power unit. 100D, central processing unit. Good. Central is CPU. Good. So max people are giving correct answers. Sunday Zavade, not at our section is over. Some more 9 questions are there, which will, I guess, all people should be up to the end. I'm kind of waiting for. Common processing unit will not come. Central processing unit, that is a CPU. Ajit Kumar Patel, CPU. That is CPU. So we'll have some more 9 questions. Be with us and we'll solve that also. So we'll move to the next question, and correct answer is the central processing unit. So you can see 101 question. Data can be saved on backing storage medium known as compact disk, recordable, computer disk, rewritable, compact disk, rewritable, computer data rewritable. Check it once. Compact disk. Actually, data will be stored in a backing in compact disk, not in a computer disk. But rewritable data should be there, not a re-recordable. Data will be re-recordable only, but it should be rewritable actually. So you can check it, and C is the correct answer. Compact disk rewritable. You can see correct answer is C. So we'll kind of check. Yes, I'll see. Yes, good. Ekta Singh is writing brain of computer is CPU. Good. So check it. 101 questions answer. Yeah, good. C is the correct answer. So we'll move to the next question. Is 102 question. That is a RAM means random access memory, rigid access memory, rapid access memory, and revolving access memory. I guess all are getting bored because now our section is going more than 1.5 hours. But RAM's meaning will be a random access memory. Good, very good. I'll go to the next question, and correct answer is A. WWW stands for who, what, where, World Wide Web, and World Wide Web. Correct answer is, I guess all knows, is the answer. So I'll not take much time and I'll move to the next question. Use of ordinary telephone as internet application is called as voice net, voice telephone, voice line, voice portal. Good. Use of an ordinary telephone as an internet application is called as voice net, voice telephone, voice line, voice portal. And it is, you can check it, correct answer for 104 question number is a voice line. So we'll move to the answer directly, and answer is voice line. So we'll move to the next question. Video transmission over the internet that looks like delay live casting is called. Video transmission over the internet that looks like delay live casting is called real-time video, virtual time video, direct broadcasting, and video shift. Actually, it is called as a real-time video because virtual video cannot be called. It can be called as real-time video. So good. D is a correct answer. Some of people are giving a virtual video or direct broadcasting. It's not. It's the correct answer is real-time video. So we'll move to the answer, and answer is D, and we'll move to the next question also. LAN stand for. Already we have kind of pronounced what is LAN. LAN is a local area network. So correct answer is B. You can check it. What is LAN? LAN is used for connecting computers in a particular institution for internet. So good. Max people has given correct answer. We'll move to the next question. Which of the following statement is correct? Modem is software. Modem help in stabilizing the voltage. Modem is operating system. Modem convert the analog signal into a digital signal and vice versa. You can check it, and kind of modem is not a software. Modem is kind of not stabilizing the voltage. Modem is not an operating system. It is a modem convert the analog signal into a digital signals and as well as vice versa. So kind of D is the correct answer for this. We'll go for the next question. Information and communication technology includes one-line learning, learning through the use of EduSat, web-based learning, and all of the above. I guess all people will answer correctly. Good. All of the above should be the answer for this question. 107 also is D, but 108 also is D because all of the above. Good. We'll move to the next question. Correct answer is D. So, which one of the following is appropriate format of URL of email? www hyphen sorry dash mail.com, www at the rate mail.com, www at the rate mail.com, or www.mail.com. Actually, which one should be the correct URL of mail? URL of mail. So good. Not a D. D should not come. That is like a website. URL of email asked mail. So at the rate should be there. At the rate. Sorry, Poonam Panchal is giving wrong answer little bit. But actually, it should be B because at the rate. If there is not at the rate, then there is no URL of email. So good. And kind of thank you to all for watching our video till the end. And please, all of you like the video. If you like our all the contents and question solving kind of all section, please like the video so that it will be motivation for us. And thank you for kind of being since start to end. So I would like to thank Poonam, Manisha, Ajit, Rajashree, Official Task, Sneha, Deepankar, Poonam, Ajit Kumar, Aarti, Manisha, Said PM, Arvind, Pranali, Arundhati, Manisha, all to Rajan Das, Kavita Chauhan, Sneha, Kiran, Swaroop, to all of you. Thank you for watching video and thank you, and we'll meet in next lecture. So kind of bye, and please do subscribe our channel and share the video with your all friends so that all will be getting benefited. And thank you